Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. Union is strength. My dear friends, in this video we are going to learn a beautiful story and a beautiful message is there. So this is very famous and old story. In this story, in our present life, very nice and good lesson is there. Union is strength. In our daily life, no one want to live together. Children, they don't want to live with father and mother. And some partner friends, they don't want to run any business together. So they are different thinking will be there. So it's living together is very great strength. Union is the strength. Nowadays the husband and wife, these two persons think is totally different. But if they live together, their children will get benefit. So union, living together is very good strength. Union is great strength. Let's start the story. So in that old days, one farmer was there and he has 4 sons. So always they are quarreling. Now how we are quarreling? Brother is quarreling with the sister, sister is quarreling with the brother, a friend is quarreling with another friend, a neighbor is quarreling with another neighbor. So these 4 friends were quarreling each together. Father called them and advised them, don't quarrel. Your father and mother is one. Why unnecessary you are quarreling? But the children, they did not listen. So father wanted to advise them and call them and gave one demo and gave them one great lesson. He brought some bundle. In that bundle some sticks were there, and he tied them and called all those 4 sons and told them, take this bundle. So he tied that bundle and told them that break it. So the eldest son, he tried to break the bundle of stick, but he could not break. So father told to another son, second son, now you try, take. So second son took that bundle of stick and he also tried, but he also failed. He could not break that bundle. Now father told to third son, now it is your turn, take and break it. So third son also could not break that bundle of stick. Now father told to fourth son, now it is your turn, take this bundle of stick and break it. So the fourth son also he tried, but he could not break. Now father told that, now untie it. Now open that bundle and one small stick is there. Now father told to youngest son, he is very small, youngest son, and he told him that, now take one stick and break it. So that youngest son took that stick and he broke easily. Father told him that, what did you learn from this lesson? So if you are living separately, so your enemies can attack upon you easily. Once you are living like a bundle, and that one also tied bundle, so no one can harm you. So my dear friends, in this story we should live with our father and mother. We should not forget our old and new friends, and we should not forget our near and dears, our neighbors. So always we should live unitedly. Union is strength. So thank you for watching my videos, and if you want, please comment and give your suggestions, tell something. And please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.